guys, Miasto here, so we're testing new feature called Mesh Terrain, so how to enable that. I've imported the height map to the system. Okay, as you see. So how to enable project setting. Run that 5.8 preview version, so mesh plugins. As you see, you need to enable 4 of the plugins: mesh partition water, mesh remote, and PCG mesh partition interrupt, and also PCG. Okay, so the system is for me much slower than thin tiles. It loads much more time. So let's go and see why I think it's that, because then okay, let's inspect mesh. You see 45,000 triangles in terrain, also about more even. Okay, so let's see, it's the same size of the level. As you see, it's the same size of the level. Okay, still okay. So for me it's loading much longer, and I don't know how to attach the material to the terrain. There is no info, so as you see, loading time it's a bit longer based on, I know, some as you see, always the terrain is always not all loaded when you start, so it also the problem. Yeah, it looks odd. So I think it's experimental feature and it's playable, of course, but yeah, you see. Loading times are much longer. So there are 256 tiles, same as thin tiles, but as you see, it's loading much longer, and even it's not all tiles. So yeah, for me it's unacceptable at this point. Yeah. Now let's see how it looks. Let's see. There are problems. Thank you very much for watching this video. So I will keep in with thin tiles. See you soon. Bye.